Hello guys! For today's video, I will be showing you how to clean the dataset as preliminary for data processing. When you use an electronic survey form like the one in Google, this is an example of which you can create it using your Google account. You can actually summarize this, or the application has an automatic summary for the responses, such as this one. It has timestamp and all the responses given by the particular respondent on that survey. Now, if you can process it here, that's fine. But if you are more familiar with Microsoft Excel, there is a way for you to change this Google spreadsheet into a Microsoft Excel file. So all you need to do is click on File. There will be a drop down in this one, and all you need to do is choose Download to Microsoft Excel. So that's how you do it. Now, if you have a paper questionnaire, survey questionnaire like this one, the respondent would manually fill in the information or the responses in this, and you as a researcher must summarize this. So I am more familiar with Microsoft Excel, so what I'm gonna do is I will discuss how to clean the dataset in a Microsoft Excel file. So this is an example of a summary of responses of 21 respondents for this particular questionnaire. So K1 up to K10 has a meaning to the researcher, as well as A1 to A10, and so on. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now the good thing about this is you can clearly see the actual response of the respondent in a particular question. So we do have here strongly agree, agree, disagree, and so on. Okay. The most important thing in the Microsoft Excel is the Control F key. Now, Control F is a shortcut key to find cells and do replacements if necessary. When you do a Control F in Microsoft Excel, this is what you will see. A pop-up window will show that looks like this. One for find and the other for replace. What we're interested in is the replace button, wherein you can put the words or the input from the Microsoft Excel cells and put it here and replace it with whatever you like. So in processing data, if you do have a data processing app, it's much better to convert words into numbers, and that's the reason why the Control F is very important. Now we are in the actual Microsoft Excel file, and what we're going to do is we are going to replace, okay, for cleaning purposes, we are going to replace all of this files or responses by category or by attributes, and we are going to replace the words into numbers. Okay, so for this particular one, we have one which is equal to strongly disagree, 2 is disagree. 3 is agree. And 4 is strongly agree. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. So we simply press Control F and the pop-up window will appear. Go to replace. Okay. And then just copy one. Like for example, this one. Just copy it. Put it here. And then just change this one. All strongly disagree or strongly agree will be replaced with number 4. And just click on replace all and everything will change. And it says here that you have 294 replacement out of all this. Okay. So it's done. So you can now proceed with agree. You can copy it and then just put it here. Replace again. And then change this to 3. Replace all. And you have just changed the um, the agree. Now don't be discouraged with the this 3 because the one that was changed was the word agree. So every word that has agree in there were changed. So don't worry about this. Okay, so this one is just just copy it. Okay, and then put it here. That's actually disagree. Okay, so just change that into 2 and then just replace everything. Okay, so if you're gonna inspect, there's no such thing as strongly disagree in the data. Nothing at all. See? Okay, so there. So we have replaced or cleaned our data set. And for now, that's the end of our video. Next time, we are going to check the reliability of every attribute or category for this questionnaire. So that's it for now, and God bless.